Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord mic not working on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you have opened your Discord app for doing any call or doing any voice message and facing the issue that mic is not working on your app, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. First of all, you have to open your settings, and guys, after this you have to scroll it below. Here you need to click on privacy and security. Simply you have to click on this tab, and guys, after this here is the option of microphone. Simply you have to click on this tab, and guys, you will find here the app, Discord app. So guys, simply you have to enable that app. So guys, after doing this you have to go back and guys scroll it below, and guys, here you will find the app that is Discord. Simply you have to click on this, and guys, you will find the option of microphone like contact. So guys, simply you have to turn on your microphone. So guys, simply you have to turn on it, and after doing this you have to go back. And guys, after doing these settings your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is update problem, you have to open your app store. And guys, after opening your app store, simply you have to search your Discord app, and guys, you need to check for update. So guys, as you can see here, simply you have to search this app here, and guys, after searching app you have to open your app, and guys, you need to check for update. If your app is not updated like this, simply you have to update your app, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.